Odoo 14 bootcamp tutorial series. In this tutorial we will discuss about inventory adjustment. So inventory adjustment, simply you can set the difference between, as per our system, quantity and another is the quantity for our stock or warehouse. So the difference of between both of quantities to adjustment, we create the inventory adjustment voucher. Here is some demo. Inventory adjustment is created, and these two I create for testing, and all these are validated. Only one status is a draft. So let's create a new adjustment inventory. Let's say as on, let's say 13 of December 2020, and product, I'm going to choose only one product, but here you can add multiple products. Like you can change, or you can select from here multiple products. Currently I have only one product chosen here, which we created our test product. Accounting date, I will choose today date, and here counted quantity and default to 0. Counted means it will show us stock which we have in our hand, or on hand quantity as per system, not as per physical location or physical your warehouse or stock. Here's a default to 0. So let's save, start inventory. Here only one product is showing because I choose there only one product. If I didn't choose, all products will appear here. So let's select this product and counted. First I have to show you in our products this quantity of the test product. Test product on hand we have 18 units. 18 units we have, and forecasted quantity is 82. Let's go and in inventory adjustment, this we created and it's in progress. The status, continue to inventory, select counted. Here let's make it 100, or I'm making here 120, let's say. Then validate inventory. Here a message has come, the inventory has been validated. And if I go to in reporting, or if I go to in products, let's say first check the product. Now we have quantity on hand 120 and forecast quantity now this time is 20. Before here it is minus 82 because we make a sale order. So now this is the concept of the inventory adjustment. That's validated. So it's very simple and easy. You can adjust, you can create an adjustment of your inventory, the difference between the physical quantity and the quantity of as per your system. In next tutorial we will discuss about scrap.